The American dream once promised steady jobs, growing communities, and a better future. But in some towns across the United States, that promise slowly disappeared. Industries shut down, populations declined, and once thriving communities were left struggling to survive. Here are 10 American towns where the American dream faded away. Number 10. Gary, Indiana. Gary, Indiana was once one of the most powerful industry cities in America. Founded in 1906 by U.S. Steel, the city quickly became a center of American steel production. At its peak in the 1960s, Gary had nearly 180,000 residents. Steel jobs provided stable incomes, strong unions, and a reliable path into the middle class. For thousands of families, the American dream felt real here. But by the late 1970s and 1980s, the steel industry began to collapse. Global competition, automation, and factory closures eliminated thousands of jobs. The city's population dropped dramatically. Today, Gary has fewer than 70,000 residents. Many neighborhoods have been abandoned and hundreds of homes sit empty. Gary still has a working steel mill, but the number of jobs is far smaller than it once was. And as we move south, we see another once thriving city facing a very similar fate. Number 9. Youngstown, Ohio. Youngstown was once a blooming steel city in the American Midwest. During the mid-20th century, steel mills along the Mahoning River provided thousands of well-paying jobs. The city grew rapidly, and neighborhoods filled with workers who believed their futures were secure. Then came September 19, 1977, a day locals still call Black Monday. That was the day Youngstown Sheet and Tube shut down its Campbell Works steel mill, instantly putting 5,000 workers out of a job. Over the next several years, tens of thousands of manufacturing jobs disappeared. Families moved away in search of work, and the city's population steadily declined. Youngstown once had over 170,000 residents. Today, it has around 60,000. Empty factories and abandoned houses became common sights. And if losing one industry can devastate a city, the next town shows what happens when an entire region declines. Number 8. Flint, Michigan. Flint was once one of the most important manufacturing cities in America. For decades, it was a major center for General Motors production. Auto factories provided tens of thousands of well-paying union jobs. At its peak in the 1960s, Flint had nearly 200,000 residents. But by the beginning of the 1980s, auto manufacturing began leaving the city. Factories closed, jobs disappeared, and families began moving away. Today, Flint has fewer than 80,000 residents. Economic hardship eventually contributed to one of the most infamous infrastructure crises in modern American history, the Flint water crisis, where contaminated drinking water exposed thousands of residents to lead. The crisis damaged public trust and highlighted how deeply the city had fallen from its industrial peak. And unfortunately, Flint is far from the only town where a single industry once held everything together. Number 7. Cairo, Illinois. Cairo sits at the southern tip of Illinois where the Ohio and Mississippi rivers meet. In the early 1900s, it was a major transportation hub for river trade and railroads. The town once had over 15,000 residents and a busy downtown filled with hotels, stores, and businesses. But then economic decline slowly took hold. River trade declined, railroads changed routes, and industry moved elsewhere. The population steadily dropped for decades. Today, fewer than 2,000 people remain in Cairo. Many historic buildings stand empty, and entire blocks have been abandoned. But sometimes, economic collapse happens even faster, especially when a town depends on a single employer. Number 6. Centralia, Pennsylvania. Centralia's story is unlike any other on this list. For decades, the town thrived as a coal mining community in Pennsylvania. But in 1962, a fire started in a landfill that spread into underground coal mines. That fire is still burning today. Toxic gases and unstable ground forced the government to evacuate the town. Over time, nearly all residents left. Today, Centralia has only a handful of residents remaining, and most buildings have been demolished. Roads crack open from underground heat, and smoke sometimes rises from the ground. Centralia became a ghost town, not because of economics, but because the land itself became unlivable. Yet some towns didn't need disasters to collapse. Economic decline alone was enough. Number 5. Detroit, Michigan. Detroit was once the symbol of the American dream. It was the heart of the auto industry, home to Ford, Chrysler, and General Motors. At its peak in 1950, Detroit had 1.8 million residents, making it one of the largest cities in the United States. Factory jobs paid well, and entire middle-class neighborhoods grew around the auto industry. But beginning in the 1970s, manufacturing began shrinking. Factories closed, jobs moved overseas, and the population began leaving. By 2013, Detroit's financial crisis became so severe that the city filed for the largest municipal bankruptcy in U.S. history. Today, Detroit has around 630,000 residents, far fewer than its peak. While revitalization is happening in parts of downtown, many neighborhoods are still struggling. And as industry declined across America, entire regions began losing their economic foundation. Number 4. Pine Bluff, Arkansas. Pine Bluff was once a thriving industrial and agricultural hub in Arkansas. For decades, manufacturing plants and paper mills supported the local economy. The city had strong employment and a stable middle class. But as industries began downsizing and relocating, jobs slowly disappeared. Pine Bluff's population has steadily declined over the last several decades. Economic hardship has led to high poverty rates and fewer opportunities for young residents. Many businesses have closed and new investment has been slow to arrive. But in the next town, population decline has been even more dramatic. Number 3. Camden, New Jersey. Camden once had a powerful industrial economy. Major companies like RCA, Campbell Soup, and shipbuilding yards employed thousands of workers. In the early 20th century, Camden was a manufacturing powerhouse. But as industries left and factories closed, the city entered a long period of economic decline. The population dropped significantly and poverty rates increased. For many years, Camden struggled with high crime and unemployment. While redevelopment efforts are underway, large parts of the city still face serious economic challenges. And as we move further west, another once thriving town saw its population disappear almost entirely. Number 2. McDowell County, West Virginia. McDowell County was once one of the most prosperous coal mining regions in America. During the early 1900s, coal mines brought thousands of workers and steady income. Towns were filled with miners, schools, businesses, and families. At its peak, the county had over 100,000 residents. But as coal demand declined and mining became automated, jobs disappeared. Today, the population has dropped to around 18,000. Many towns in the county have been shrinking for decades. Schools have closed, businesses have vanished, and opportunities remain limited. But one place on this list shows how quickly an entire town can disappear when the main industry shuts down. Number 1. East St. Louis, Illinois. East St. Louis was once a booming industrial city. Factories, railroads, and river trade created thousands of jobs in the early 20th century. The city's population once exceeded 80,000 residents. But over the decades, industry declined, jobs left, and the population shrank dramatically. Today, fewer than 20,000 people live there. Many neighborhoods suffer from high poverty, abandoned buildings, and limited economic opportunity. What was once a thriving industrial center is now one of the most economically distressed cities in America. The American dream helped build many towns across the country. But when industries collapse and jobs disappear, even strong communities can struggle to survive. And these towns are reminders of how quickly prosperity can fade.